How to remove or turn off subscription on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove or disable subscriptions on TikTok application. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok application and make sure that you have logged in with your specific account. Now, from this page, navigate to your profile section and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. You will be able to view all the settings and privacy options over here, but unfortunately, you cannot see the option of subscriptions on TikTok. Instead, you can choose the Report a Problem option at the bottom of the screen. You can then scroll down and click on Chat with Us option. Tap on it. And in the chat, you have to briefly explain that you want to remove or disable subscriptions on TikTok. The TikTok support team will respond within 24 hours to assist you, and this is the only way to manage your subscriptions on TikTok. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.